want to do this quick tutorial about MethodX and the size of the platform or printing area. I saw someone make a comment on a recent post that you can't change the size of this, and there's no settings to do that. Actually, you can, but you can't inherently do it. You got to do it by choosing the right materials and the right build style. So the way to get this to change is basically by making sure you're picking the right settings so you're not using support material. So I'll just do an example really quick. So here I have a design that's designed really to print without any support, but it's a little bit too wide for this. And you're like, well, hey, I want to change the size because I'm not going to use any support. So you can't change that unless you actually set up the printer settings correctly. So in this case, I do not want to use any support, so I'm going to click none down here, which is going to get none support, but still nothing has happened. Well, part of that is because I'm also still choosing to print a raft. And with printing the raft as well, the raft is made out of support material. So you have to do none on raft as well. Once you do that, you'll see that the platform size changes. Or if I can't choose this, but I could choose to do breakaway of model material as well, which would work as well, provided that I am picking the right materials that are loaded with the right extruders. So we'll just center that. So now that it's centered, you can see that all of that will print. I will say that if you're going to print something in PLA like this, it likes to have a raft. And that's always a challenge because you can't necessarily just print a raft in the material that you want to print. But so let's say we're doing extruder 1C, and let's do column breakaway model material. So once I do breakaway model material with a raft, it will allow me to do that. Also keep in mind that towers and stuff like that will add to the space. So the keep in mind that even though you can't change that size inherently by saying, oh no, I just want to use support or use one nozzle or the other, the way you change it is by the selection you make in the materials and the extruder, as well as what the support type is and whether you have a raft or not. Hopefully that helps answer that question. Thanks for watching.